super quick, informal video. People sent us stuff. So we're going to open it up and take a look. Derica has a box in front of her.
And a knife, so be afraid.
That's why I'm all the way back here. She's also covering up the name on the box because, you know, anonymity is kind of a good thing. We don't necessarily want...
It's not just the name, it's their address.
Yeah, you know, their name, their address. We don't want to, like, tell the whole world where somebody lives. I'll just have to blur out.
Without cutting my hand.
Don't cut your hand. Inigo decided to help. He's very helpful.
There we go.
They told me what they sent, but I forgot what it is already. I'm very sorry about that.
It's the Lingonberry.
Oh, that's right. Lingonberry juice from, oh yeah, from IKEA. That's right. I knew that. I remember now. Very cool. We might be able to do something with that. I mean, of course we could do something with that. Is there any preservatives in it?
Just citric acid.
Fantastic. Very, very cool. Is there anything else in the box?
Oh. I don't think so.
But I have to do it. It's what you do.
Alright, well there's a whole box full now for you to play with.
Well, now it's no fun because you gave me permission. And then we have box number 2, which is this one. And the one thing it doesn't say is, it is heavy. It is very, very heavy. And I'm not entirely sure what it is.
Well, it does say it's from Draper's Super Bee. So that gives you an idea of what it might be.
It's honey. Yeah, actually, I know this is honey. I don't remember from where exactly, though. Where is Draper's Super Bee?
Any is Nebraska, right?
Oh, it's Nebraska. Yep. Derica has a knife yet again. Starting to think maybe she should hold the camera and I should use the knife.
Oh, we got a letter! Yay! I love it when they send letters.
You have to read the letter first.
Oh man, look at that.
What is
Got
this?
the honey prices and everything.
Ooh. Ooh. Honey prices. Newspaper. Holy crap.
Oh, that's a lot of honey. Ooh,
Oh boy.
doggy. That's a neat way of reinforcing the corners.
Yeah. PVC wrapped in cardboard. Effective. I don't think you need to try getting them out of there.
They can get an idea. This is a lot of honey. That's my little hand. My little face. Hello, it's a lot of honey.
Yeah, I'm betting it's 50 pounds, but I'm not 100% certain on that. What kind of honey is it? Do we know?
We don't. We have to get it out of the box in order to do that.
Let's see if we can do this with one hand.
Oh, don't hurt
I've been working out. You gotta pull the box. This is gonna be bad. Or not. Oh, there we go. Okay.
You have a label?
Probably not, because that would be my luck.
No.
We did all that, and there's no label.
Well, let's open the letter.
Let's open the letter.
The letter is from Anthony.
Where is Anthony? What state? I think it's Nebraska.
Anthony is in Nebraska as
Yeah,
well.
he said it was a local company that he wanted to send us honey from.
He is a retired Army veteran. Thank you for your service.
Cool.
Mead has helped him through getting over a lot of the stuff that he dealt with in the Army. And we can appreciate that because Brian has similar experiences. He has 3 daughters, 16 through 19. Oh my goodness, bless your heart.
And you're retired, which means you're around them all the time. Wow.
Oh, lordy.
Lucky and dangerous at the same time.
Oh, wow. This list here are all the meads he's made since December of last year.
Let me get a shot of that.
You have been a busy man.
Wow.
Look at that.
That's amazing.
That is exciting. It's really cool.
By the way, the sound you hear behind you is Tigger digging in a box because it's what she does.
Cats love boxes.
Tigger likes to chew on anything plastic or cardboard, though. There she is. Yep. She heard her name.
So he talks about his property. He has tons of fruit and nut trees. Oh, it sounds wonderful.
Anthony, can we come live with you?
He said we could come visit anytime we want to. I'm trying to scan it really quick
That's fine.
see if I can see what kind of honey this is. It might just be their local.
Yeah. It's probably just
mix.
a local blend, like a wildflower kind of dealie.
Yeah.
Which, that's very cool.
Because they don't have different types, they just have different volumes. So I'm thinking it's just.
Oh, okay. So it is their honey. It is
Yeah.
a local made honey. Very cool.
Yep.
That's pretty awesome. And that was very, very incredibly generous of you, because
it was.
I can't imagine that the shipping on this was
the shipping.
cheap.
Yeah. This is heavy.
When we picked it up from the UPS store, the guy's like, "That's really, really heavy," and he was not joking. It was literally sitting on the side and away from everything, because it was like the heaviest thing in the store. And the guy's like, "Are you sure? Are you sure?" I'm like, yeah, I got it. And I just went to lift it. And of course, my pride wouldn't let me say no. So now that I was committed, I had to carry it out to the car, and it was very, very heavy. It sat in the car until today, when we got up the confidence to get it out of the car and bring it into the house. So there you are. As always, guys, thank you so much. All of you guys that send us stuff that we want to use in the show and give reviews on and things like that, that is just really, really awesome. I mean, this Lingonberry stuff, I think it's awesome. We actually had a Lingonberry jam one time that was amazing.
Yeah, it was really good.
And I can only imagine that this would be really, really good to make into something. I don't know what yet, but I'll make it into something. And then honey, I mean, hello, we're a mead channel. We make mead. Therefore, this will get used. And thankfully, honey doesn't spoil, so we have a little bit of time. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.